Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Ducky One 2 RGB 80% mechanical keyboard, specifically the model rocking Kale box brown switches, high-density PBT triple shot keycaps, full RGB lighting, and a clean white finish. This keyboard isn't just about looks. It's packed with features that make it a serious contender for the best compact mechanical keyboard out there. First impressions matter, and the Ducky One 2 doesn't disappoint. The 80% layout, also known as tankulus, strikes a perfect balance between functionality and desk space. You get all the essential keys without the number pad, freeing up valuable real estate for your mouse. The white case gives it a modern, minimalist aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any setup. Let's talk about those Kale box brown switches. These aren't your typical Cherry MX browns. The box design provides increased stability and dust water resistance, which is a huge plus for longevity. The tactile bump is noticeable and satisfying without being overly loud, making it suitable for both gaming and typing in shared environments. They offer a crisp, clean feel that many users find preferable to standard browns. The keycaps are another highlight. Ducky uses high-density PBT plastic, known for its durability and resistance to shine. The triple-shot molding process ensures that the legends won't fade over time, even with heavy use. The texture is slightly rough, providing excellent grip and a premium feel. Plus, the keyboard comes with 10 additional PBT double-shot colorful keycaps in random colors, allowing for some personalization right out of the box. RGB lighting is, of course, a major feature. The Ducky One 2 boasts per key RGB customization with a wide array of effects and colors. The lighting is vibrant and evenly distributed, showcasing the legends beautifully. What's even better is the support for Razer Chroma Broadcast, allowing you to synchronize the keyboard's lighting with other Chroma-enabled devices for a truly immersive gaming experience. Ducky Macro 2.0 allows for advanced macro programming, and Ducky's newest RGB software gives you even more control over the lighting and customization options. The build quality is exceptional. The keyboard feels solid and weighty, thanks to its robust construction. The inclusion of 3-level adjustable feet allows you to find the perfect typing angle for your wrists. The detachable USB-C cable is a welcome addition, making it easy to transport and replace if needed. Some units even come with a random bonus year of Zodiac spacebar, adding a unique touch. Ducky has clearly paid attention to detail with the One 2 RGB. From a choice of high-quality components to the thoughtful design features, this keyboard is built to last and perform. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or simply someone who appreciates a great typing experience, the Ducky One 2 RGB is definitely worth considering. It's a premium keyboard that delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.